Here's a crazy stat that most won't admit to. Most real estate investors either burn out or quit before they actually ever achieve financial freedom. And if you're somebody that is still wholesaling, you're still flipping houses, maybe you're managing a portfolio of single family rentals, and you're just not moving the needle forward financially to the level that you want to be or as fast as you want to be, and it's not getting you where you want to go, then this is for you. Because the truth is, commercial real estate is where real wealth is built. It's where real financial freedom gets unlocked. And the thing is, it's really no harder or more complicated than single family is, but the ROI and the upside is far greater. And if you're somebody that has been feeling called to commercial real estate, if you're somebody that's ready to break into commercial real estate and you want to close your first or your next commercial real estate deal this year, then keep watching. Now, before we go any further, let me just be clear. This is not for everyone. This isn't for, people that are maybe just curious or looking to dabble or looking for a shortcut. This is for the convicted, serious investor that says, commercial real estate, the deal that I want to get done this year, it's happening. It's already happening in your mind. You just haven't made it a reality yet in the physical world. This is for the ones who are ready to make big moves, that want to surround themselves with the right people, that want to get in the right rooms, get the right knowledge, the right accountability, the right network, who are 100% committed to getting that commercial real estate deal done this year. I know what it feels like to grind through flipping projects, wholesaling, wondering where your next deal is going to come from, wondering how you're going to get to that next level of cash flow, right? The stress about single family rentals that barely make you a few $100 a month. It's a lot of stress and a lot of risk to take on for very little upside, leaving you with really very little room for error. And maybe you right now are feeling stuck managing too many properties or too many projects. Maybe you're spread too thin and you just know you can't get that real scale to get to the financial level that you're looking for. Maybe you're frustrated with how unpredictable residential tenants can be or how your cash flow can fluctuate time and time again. Maybe you're tired of competing against what feels like every other investor in your market, going after the same houses, bidding them up, overpricing them. Or maybe you're just somebody who knows that there's a better way, right? There's a better way to build wealth, to generate more cash flow, to get more ROI on your time, your energy, your resources. You want to get there faster. You want to get there more efficiently than you're doing right now. And you just don't know exactly where to start. Well, that was me many years ago. I was all of the above, burnt out, stuck in the daily grind of my residential real estate business. And I was feeling like I was just constantly hitting a ceiling. And then I discovered commercial real estate, and that's when everything changed. That led me to buying my first deal that I bought using 100% of other people's money. Not always common, but it is doable. And that one commercial deal almost replaced my entire single family portfolio's cash flow for the year, just that one deal. And all of those rentals that unlocked that cash flow was consolidated into one commercial deal. And man, let me just tell you, that in itself was way easier to manage, and the deal itself was way easier to negotiate and structure. That led me to buying my second deal, then my first hotel, then my second, my third. The list goes on, right? But it all started with that first deal and just committing to getting into the commercial real estate space. And that's really when my light bulb moment went off. After that first deal, I knew commercial is the way. This is the path for me. Now, the challenge is most people don't know how to break into the space without becoming a broker or climbing their way up this commercial real estate ladder. It's a very challenging industry to break into. And I just knew that I didn't want to be on the brokerage side. I just wanted to be an investor. So when I started looking for resources and education and masterminds, I realized very quickly there was nothing out there. And like most people, right, I didn't have the right connections. I don't know how to find the right deals. I don't know how to analyze these deals. What if I make a mistake? What does a good deal actually look like? How am I going to get these brokers to take me seriously, right? Get the right funding terms or partnership structures. The list goes on and on and on. But as I searched high and low, I quickly learned there's practically nothing out there for most people. Now, after doing this and investing in real estate for the last 15 years, I figured we got to create a commercial real estate space that allows people to plug into to get exactly what they're looking for that first deal. Because that's really all it takes, as you know, on the wholesaling side, on the flipping side, on the single family side. You just need to get that one deal start to finish, to get that belief, to start connecting the dots, to get a lay of the land and the landscape, to start building some relationships, and just know that you can do it. So that's why I created the Wise Investor Collective Commercial Real Estate Mastermind. But let me be clear. This isn't just another online course. It's not another coaching program. This is an exclusive mastermind for 20 serious investors, not 200, not 2,000, 20. 20 people who are ready to take action, learn the game, and execute on their first or their next commercial deal. You're going to be surrounded by other high caliber real estate investors. You're going to be with mentors, with partners, with investors who are going to push you, that are going to open doors, that are going to keep you accountable. We're going to go deep. We're going to know how to find and analyze the right deals, how to attract the right tenants like Starbucks, like TJ Maxx, other brands that you can negotiate long-term leases with for stable and predictable income, how to structure these deals, how to partner with other individuals and create win-wins so you can buy bigger properties with little or even none of your own money. You'll hear from top commercial real estate experts, brokers, lenders, investors, syndicators. We're going to have all kinds of great people coming in and out of the community to coach, teach, and train who are going to give you real strategies that are working right now. And at the end of the mastermind, we're capping it all off with an incredible in-person mastermind event to break bread, to have fun, to create memories and bucket list experiences together. Oh, and to put more tools on your commercial real estate tool belt. But here's the deal. Again, this isn't open to everyone. We are only accepting 20 members. And once the spots are filled, that's it. We do this once a year. And if you are serious about closing your first or your next commercial deal this year, then this is your chance to do it with the right people, the right guidance, and a community that will hold you accountable to helping see your success become everyone's success. So if you're ready to make that leap into commercial real estate this year, I encourage you, apply now. Just click the button, fill out the application, submit your information. Again, only 20 spots, and once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're ready to make that leap this year, we'd love to connect with you and see how we can get you in on the Wise Investor Collective. Cheers.